Check your understanding of adverbs of affirmation and negation by adding them to the following sentences to see if that properly completes them. All right? Summary. Adverb of affirmation and negation. Like other types of adverbs, adverbs of affirmation and negation are frequently used in both spoken and written English. Adverbs of affirmation assert and adverbs of negation negate a fact. In this video, you'll learn the following. Number one, adverbs of affirmation tell us that something is true, real, and fact in a positive way. Number two, adverbs of negation tell us that something is not true, real, or fact in a negative manner. Number three, some certain adverbs of affirmation and negation emphasize a fact.